Yo, I'm Jay Blanks. Last April, I retired from Forex to invest in bigger and better things, get back into music, and improve my coding skills. Recently, I just heard about AI agents, so I gave it a shot, and I realized that it's really the missing piece for all traders. I started working on this project called MetaTrader AI, and I think it's now ready for production. Now, I know what you're thinking. This is just another AI chat that you can talk to, but it can do so much more than that. It can actually see the chart. It can also iterate over the strategy tester to find the best settings. It can place trades and manage risk. It can create expert advisors, indicators, and scripts. It can also load custom indicators and technical indicators that are built in within MetaTrader, like the moving average and RSI, and then it can read the data from that. It can also analyze chart patterns, and it can give you trade suggestions. That brings me to the disclaimer. Trading involves substantial risk, and past performance is not indicative of future results. Now, MQL5 recently updated MT5 with AI and MCP support, so you might be asking, why use my project instead? Now, the stuff built in is kind of plain and simple. You can talk to it. It can create expert advisors, but that's pretty much it. My MetaTrader AI project lets you put AI directly inside of your trades, directly inside of your scripts, expert advisors, and indicators. So it's not just a conversation on the side. It can be a deciding factor inside of your actual expert advisor. For example, maybe before your expert places a trade, it can take a look at the current chart or pull up some other indicators, and then it can ask, does it line up before placing a trade? And it's also open source, so you can see what's happening behind the scenes and you can modify it yourself. So let me actually walk you through what's actually in here, because there's a lot. Now, there's a Python side and an MQL side, and they do slightly different things. Now, on the Python side, you get the desktop chat GUI, and you can literally ask it like, what's the high of Ethereum? And it'll go and pull that from your terminal and answer you. There's positions, orders, deal history, symbol info, account info, open, low, close, high volume bars, pip value, lot sizing. Now, all of that is actually covered on both sides. But the MQL side is where it actually gets interesting for expert advisor builders. There's 20 plus indicators it can read natively, like the MACD, the RSI, the ATR, the ADX, stochastic, the whole list. It can take chart screenshots and analyze them. It can open, close charts. It can run backtests. It can run single tests and the optimizations. So it can actually create expert advisors, indicators, and scripts for you. And then you can go and backtest them to see if they're working and to see if you get the results that you were expecting. And if not, it can iterate over the strategy tester, changing parameters until it finds the best results. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Now, in the experts tab, you can see the tools that the agent calls. You see that it's not just answering a question. It went and checked the actual indicator values, then gave you a suggestion based on real data sitting on your chart right now. That's the difference between a chatbot inside of MetaTrader and an agent that's actually inside the pipeline. Now, if you're building your own expert advisor and you want to add this right into it, the source is right in the description below. And if you're just getting into building tools like this in general, subscribing helps me keep putting tools like this out for free. Okay, now the setup is pretty simple either way. If you're in Python, you use pip install MetaTrader-AI. It is a Python package already on pip. Then you just plug in your OpenAI or DeepSeek key, your account login, and then you launch the GUI in like 3 lines of code. If you're on MQL and you just want to use it, you can grab the app.ex5 file from the MQL folder, drop it into your MQL5/experts folder, and then you run it from the navigation panel. And if you are a developer and you want to customize the agent itself or add this directly into your code for like a decision maker, you need to clone the repo straight into your includes folder and then build it from there. This is genuinely the first project I've built where I feel like the AI and trading things stops being a buzzword and actually becomes useful, because it's not just replacing your strategy, it's sitting inside of it checking your work in real time. Now, which one of these features are you most excited to try out first? Chart analysis, the auto backtesting? Definitely let me know down below in the comments. And if you need help getting this set up in your own expert advisors, you can also hit me up too. I'm Jay Blanked. Thanks for watching. Peace.